Hello guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning how you can use your 8 character skills in one character in Free Fire. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bells to get notified every time we post something new. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open Free Fire on your mobile. Then according to the latest updates, you'll be met with an interface such as this. So to go to your characters, what you're going to want to do is you're going to see the preset that appears on the bottom of your screen. You simply tap on it and then you can see the character option. Over here you tap on it. The older update consists of the characters option in the opening interface. However, you have to go ahead and go to preset and then characters. According to this new update, normally you can only equip 4 characters to use their skills in a game. However, there are characters with active and passive forms. So if you equip these characters, then you'll get 8 character skills in one character. As you can see, the first character that you're introduced with also has 2 forms. One is active, the other is passive. And again, if you scroll down, there are multiple other characters with such capabilities, such as Hayato. As you can see, Hayato also has 2 forms, the active and the passive one. And then you have Moko, again active and passive. Kelly also has active and passive forms. So if you equip these characters or the skills of these characters, then you get dual characters, which means that you have 8 characters in total, even though the game only allows you to equip 4 character skills in one gameplay. So to equip 8 character skills, the characters you're going to choose are all going to have dual forms. That is, one is active and one is passive. So you might want to choose Kelly, and then we have Hayato, Moko, and then the initial character works as well, but there are other characters with active and passive form, and that will help you a lot, having 8 skills over 4 skills in your game. Now you know how to use the 8 character skills in one character. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.